boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. I have a great song for you, Conan Gray, the best, alright? He's the best. We love him here at Gruvgear Guitar. And if you want to learn a song from him, this one could be your choice because it's super fast and easy to learn. We have only 3 chords, they're gonna roll in the same way through the entire song. So let's check this one out together. Capo on second, absolute best scenario, okay? So if you don't have any capo, skip it, play the same chords that I do. You will not match with the sound, but still have an easy life. So that's yeah, a no-brainer. Let's do the chords together. We have E first. We're gonna start with that. So it goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. All right. Next is the A sus2. So that goes open A, second D, second G, open B, and open E. Then we have this beautiful open airy chord, which is the C sharp minor 7. So it's not a bar chord, usually we have that, but yeah, this is open fashion. So we're gonna play 4th A, 6th D, 6th G, and then open B and open E. Beautiful sound, all right? So the chord progression for this song will be E, then A, then C sharp, and back to A. And that just rolls, okay? Now, the string pattern, if you grab the first chord E, it goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna play the first 2 downs. And it's really nice if you can separate them. So the first down, play on the bass strings, okay? And the second down on the higher strings. They kind of answer each other. So you mark out the chord with the first down, and then the second down on the higher strings. And then comes up, up, down, down. So 2 ups and 2 downs. You don't go all the way up. You don't have to go the down from the bass all the way down. Just short up, up, down, down. So. And then you finish off with down, up. That's it. So together it's down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. And a couple rounds. And so on. But we need to change some chords. So you're going to play one of these string patterns per chord in the same order we learned. So E, A sus, C sharp, and back to A sus. 1 per chord, and that just rolls through the entire song. Let's do a couple rounds together. Alright guys, I promised you a simple song, and it is Conan Gray, the best. So enjoy this song. I hope you liked it. If it was helpful, leave me a like and comment. Be back for next time. Play tuned.